Hello students, today we are going to talk about how to create a multiple choice quiz using Adobe Flash. And suppose we want to create a multiple choice question on who is the chief executive of Hong Kong. Therefore we can input the problem using a text box. Who is the current chief executive of Hong Kong SAR? And if the text box doesn't fit, we can simply resize it. Okay, this will be good. And in order to make the quiz a more impressive one, we can include pictures of the chief executive of Hong Kong in the stage. Therefore, we can input CE Hong Kong. Again, we can look up Wikipedia. And here, we can find the photos of the chief executive of Hong Kong, and we can simply copy and paste these photos into our quiz. Let's say Tong Chi Wang. We simply right click and then select copy. And now we can switch back to Flash and then edit, paste in center. And we have to resize the photo because this will be too big. And now since this photo will add one of the choice of the multiple choice question, so we don't need to actually trace this bitmap that actually doesn't require any bitmap tracing. Let's put the picture at the middle, and we can repeat this process. That's right. For the remaining images. So this one is download done. Right click and then select copy. Again, we'll resize it. Okay, yes. And the last one. This is CY Learn. This one is good enough. Paste. And you may see that these pictures may not be of the same size. And actually, we can do this. Change all the photos to the same size using the window and then align menu. Therefore, we can now select all these three pictures, and then we select match size, both horizontally and vertically. And again, we can align the pictures using these buttons. Okay. And now we can place the photos at the middle of the stage. Right. And now we are going to convert these images into buttons. And all we have to do is to select the photo and then click. Okay, right click this and then convert to symbol. So this is CY, and then we can select button as the type of the symbol. And we can repeat doing this using the same method. Right click the photo and then select convert to symbol. Remember, the type of the flash symbol should be a button, so that it can be clicked whenever we use the mouse to select the photo. And then you can click OK. And finally, we repeat this for the third photo. Convert to simple. This is download. Select button again. OK. And now we can we can create two frames for the correct answer frame and the wrong answer frame. For example, if the user or the player select the correct photo, then a correct answer frame should be displayed. Otherwise, a wrong answer frame should be displayed. So we can timeline. Now we are at frame number 1, and then we can create a keyframe. Insert a keyframe at frame number 2. Okay. And remember, when we are at frame number 2, we can simply remove all these photos and text, and we can input another text. Let's say congratulations, you are correct. So this frame number 2 should be our correct frame. It will be displayed when the user select the correct answer. And again, we insert another keyframe for the wrong answer frame. Now we are at frame number 3. We can input the text, sorry, you are wrong. And we can change the color of the text to red. And of course, you can make all sorts of decoration to enrich the correct answer frame and the wrong answer frame. You can add all those graphics or decoration in these two frames. And now we can return to frame number 1. And if we play the movie, you can see that it won't stop. It will, let's say, if we select Control and then test movie, it will continue to play the movie one frame at a time, but it won't stop. It won't stop to allow the user to click or select a photo. So what should we do? Of course, we have to stop the movie. And now we are going to add a command stop at frame number 1.